Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today we're diving into the world of BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, and exploring what taking them for 30 days can do for your body. BCAAs are crucial building blocks of protein and play a vital role in muscle recovery and growth. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just looking to improve your nutritional intake, understanding the impact of BCAAs will be invaluable. Stay tuned until the end to learn all about the benefits, dosage, and how to properly use BCAAs to enhance your fitness regimen. Let's get it. BCAAs consist of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These are key components that your body cannot synthesize on its own and must be obtained through your diet or supplementation. Leucine plays a critical role in reducing glucose levels and promoting the synthesis of somatotropin, which is essential for muscle mass increase and quick recovery. Isoleucine boosts endurance and aids in the repair of muscle damage, particularly beneficial during high-intensity training. Valine, meanwhile, not only helps in muscle fiber regeneration but also enhances serotonin production, which can impact mood and comfort during workouts. If you're on a restrictive diet or aiming to enhance your athletic performance, BCAAs can be a game changer. They help maintain essential amino acid levels when dietary intake might not suffice. However, it's crucial to understand that BCAAs alone won't increase muscle mass without the physical stimulus provided by strength training. Muscles grow from the repair of the micro-tears caused by intense exercise, with protein and amino acids being the building blocks needed for recovery and growth. Simply put, for the benefits of BCAAs to be fully realized, they must be paired with consistent exercise. BCAAs are more than just muscle builders. They play a pivotal role in enhancing muscle recovery. By stimulating protein synthesis, BCAAs help muscles recover faster, allowing for more frequent and intense training sessions, reducing exercise fatigue. By decreasing the production of serotonin during workouts, BCAAs can help prolong endurance and delay fatigue. Increasing metabolic rate. BCAAs support fat burning, which is crucial for those looking to lose weight while preserving muscle mass. Improving muscle retention and growth. During both bulking and cutting phases, BCAAs provide the necessary components to support muscle maintenance and growth. Reducing muscle soreness. Known as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. The discomfort that follows a tough workout can be mitigated with BCAAs, enhancing your recovery timeline. To maximize the effects of BCAAs, consider taking 4-8 grams up to 3 times daily, based on your body weight and the intensity of your workouts. It's most beneficial to consume BCAAs during or immediately after workouts to enhance recovery and reduce fatigue. On non-training days, BCAAs can still be effective when taken between meals to help maintain amino acid levels and support muscle protein synthesis. While BCAAs are generally safe, they're not suitable for everyone. Individuals under 16, pregnant women, and those with certain health conditions such as cardiovascular diseases or kidney pathologies should avoid BCAAs. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health concerns or are taking other medications. Incorporating BCAAs into your fitness and nutritional strategy can significantly enhance your training results, from speeding up recovery to boosting muscle growth and improving endurance. Remember, the key to success with BCAAs is to use them in conjunction with a well-rounded diet and regular exercise. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful content on how to optimize your health and fitness routine. Here at Build Your Anatomy, we're all about helping you achieve the best physical version of yourself.